At Tremco Construction Products Group, it's not about individual products. Our products are tested and proven. It's about individual buildings and one relationship. Whether you're an architect, building owner, or general contractor, a relationship with one representative from a Tremco CPG company covers all your building envelope needs, from the foundation to the roof. Our building materials begin at the foundational waterproofing and structural insulated concrete forms, moving up to the air and weather-resistive barriers, flashing and glazing products, and lastly, the continuous insulation, exterior cladding, and roof membranes. No matter what your building type, we can provide a full Tremco CPG envelope solution. Everything from structurally glazed skyscrapers to retail malls and residential developments with any facade design. We also cover projects with the most stringent building code standards in the industry: hospitals, schools, and government buildings. Are you constructing or restoring a stadium or parking deck? We have solutions to waterproof, protect, and withstand heavy pedestrian or vehicular traffic and punishing environmental conditions. And don't forget to ask about our building envelope maintenance and restoration packages to extend the life of your building. Why cobble together an envelope with materials from dozens of different suppliers when you can choose a Tremco CPG building envelope solution designed and tested to work as one continuous system and warranted from a single source? It's time to start taking a whole building approach and eliminate the headaches that come with a product approach. Make your next project a full building envelope solution. Talk to your Tremco CPG sales representative today.